In 2020, Tracy Aviary opened the Jordan River Nature Center in James Madison Oxbow Park at 1125 West, 3300 South in South Salt Lake City, Utah. Admission is free. They don't have any caged birds here. Rather, the Nature Center teaches people about local birds, animals, and plants. They have a lot of free or modest cost educational programs and activities here for children, teenagers, and adults. This is a short video of a free birding bike ride where a bird expert leads a short, slow-paced bike ride and identifies and teaches you about the birds and animals you see in and along the Jordan River. You need to bring your own bike, but they provide binoculars for people who don't have their own. Of course, they also have bird walks where you don't need a bike.